हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक। आज हम बात करेंगे कि बहुत सारे जो मैंने पीछे स्टॉक्स दिए हैं उनमें क्या हो रहा है फर्स्ट, एंड दूसरी हम बात करेंगे कि कौन से ऐसे सेक्टर्स हैं जिसमें ब्रेकआउट आने वाला है। राइट, आज निफ्टी ने बहुत जबरदस्त रिकवरी की है फ्रॉम द लोअर लेवल्स एंड उसके बहुत सारे सेक्टर्स हैं जिनमें आज रिकवरी आई है। तो आज चलते हैं, सबसे पहले तो बात करते हैं, बिफोर आई गो एनीवेयर, आई एम योर होस्ट डॉक्टर सीमा जैन। I'm a SEBI registered research analyst, founder and chief mint at StockPro, and partner with Zerodha Upstocks, Files and Astha Trade. So let me take you to my channel, and there we're going to talk about the stocks which I have given in the past, right? So here is my channel. If you see, we have just updated all the stocks that I have been giving in the past. So if you just scroll through the entire space, you will see we have given a buy at Dodla Dairy. I have given a buy 524 it is at. Then I have given Cryor and Whale, right? It made a high of 65 today. Then I have given a Sharda Cropcom, right? I have given it 615. It's currently at 690. Pretty much good profit is going on. Then I have given Man Industries at 85.5 and I have given the target of 90. The full target has been done, right? Then I have given Kitex above 234.5 and stock is still running at 309, almost like 32% return, right? HEG have given above 1145 and I've given a target of 50 points. The target has already been done, right? HCG I've given a buy above 247 and look at, I've given a target of 270. The target has already been done, right? A lot of stock, lots and lots of them. If you see here, 𝐼𝐸𝐾, I have given a buy above 110, right? Let me take you here. 𝐼𝐸𝐾, Khetan Chemical and Fertilizer, 110 पे buy दिया था. It made a high of 155, right? Supreme Chemicals, right? We just forgot about so many stocks, जिनमें ब्यूटीफुल ब्रेकआउट आया था. यहाँ कहीं 710 पे बाय दिया है स्टॉक में एंड लुक एट हाउ इट हैज ब्लास्टेड अप 1027, राइट? सो गाइस, दिस इज, आई एम नॉट सेइंग देयर आर नो स्टॉक विच एवर गोज डाउन. ऐसा नहीं होता है, बिकॉज स्टॉक कभी थोड़ा बहुत करेक्ट भी होता है. जैसे लास्ट वीक बहुत ज्यादा करेक्शन आया मार्केट में, बहुत सारे स्टॉक्स नीचे गए, जैसे क्वेस्ट कॉर्पोरेशन या कुछ ऐसे स्टॉक्स हैं जिनमें थोड़ा बहुत मार्केट नीचे जाता है. बट प्लीज, बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज गिव यू गुड क्वालिटी ऑफ स्टॉक, यू शुड नॉट वरी अबाउट इट, राइट? अगर आपको बहुत ज्यादा लगता है कि आपकी कैपिटल जीरो हो जाएगी तो आप स्टॉप लॉस को ऑनर कर दीजिए, अदरवाइज एक्यूमुलेट एट द लोअर लेवल्स, राइट? आज चलते हैं, आज का जो मेरा टॉपिक है वो ये है कि कौन से ऐसे सेक्टर है जहां पे रिकवरी आने वाली है, आई है और आएगी आने वाली फ्यूचर के लिए. तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको लेके चलती हूँ. अब आप लोग सोचोगे कि हाउ टू एनालाइज सेक्टर्स, राइट? तो बेस्ट वे टू एनालाइज सेक्टर इज कि आप अपने पास एक ट्रेडिंग व्यू पे एक लिस्ट बना लो, राइट? जैसे आप सामने देख रहे हो, CNX ऑटो, CNX स्मॉल कैप, CNX फाइनेंस, प्राइवेट बैंक निफ्टी, बैंक निफ्टी सर्विस, CNX IT, CNX infra, pharma, all of this you should have a list, right? This is the list of index. It's a very, very useful list, right? You must remember that early morning, you don't need to go anywhere. On the trading view only, you will get to know कौन सा सेक्टर चलने वाला है, कौन से सेक्टर में रिकवरी आ रही है, कौन अपने प्रीवियस बैरियर को ब्रेक कर रहा है, कौन रेजिस्टेंस पे खड़ा हुआ है. सेक्टर वाइज आपको पता लग जाएगा. तो आज अगर आप देखेंगे तो ऑटो ने एक बहुत जबरदस्त ब्रेकआउट दिया है, राइट? हैव अ लुक एट ऑटो सेगमेंट. व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल ब्रेकआउट अबव 10983 to about 11094. Huge breakout, clear breakout it has given, right? And open equal to low, right? Whenever there is open equal to low, it signifies that bulls have majorly entered into the particular sector, right? So this is a beautiful breakout that we have got today in auto sector. Now the next sector that is looking very good to me is energy, right? Energy is standing on a place where it is just about to give a breakout, right? If this barrier is demolished, right, a lot of stocks are going to be on my radar, like ONGC, Coal India, GAIL, a lot of them are going to be on my radar. But at this point of time, this index looks very, very promising, right? And then I have another index which is looking very good to me and which is almost demolished a massive resistance that it had in the past, right? Almost kind of demolished it. So अगर आप देखोगे कि ये जगह पे which is 5244 or 5245, infra if it crosses this place will definitely go till about 5330, right? And infra is looking very promising at this point of time. एक सेक्टर जो मुझे बहुत वीक लग रहा है और वो सेक्टर है मीडिया, राइट? हैव अ लुक एट इट, डबल टॉप बना के और फिर नीचे आ रहा है अगेन बिलो 2290, राइट? आई विल बी एक्सपेक्टिंग इट टू फॉल टिल अबाउट 2214, राइट? तो आपको मीडिया के स्टॉक सारे पता है, राइट? कौन कौन से मीडिया स्टॉक्स हैं? ज़ील इज वन ऑफ द मीडिया स्टॉक. You can check PVR also. I don't know what's happening in PVR. So all of them are under stress, right? If you have a look at Zeal, Zeal is also under pretty much stress, right? So this sector, which is media, again, maybe because of the corona coming up again, this may be the reason. So as I told you, which sector looks good to me? Auto, infra, and energy, right? These are the three sectors which are going to be on my radar. नाउ क्वेश्चन कम्स कि अगर ये तीन सेक्टर्स अच्छे हैं, इनके कौन से स्टॉक्स हैं ऐसे जो चलने वाले हो? वहां जाने से पहले मैं आपको अपना एक वीडियो दिखाना चाहती हूँ जो मैंने 18 तारीख को बनाया था और मैंने आपको इसमें 6 स्टॉक्स दिए थे. आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं वन बाय वन मैंने आपको स्टॉक्स दिए थे. आई हैव गिवन जुबिलियंट फूड वर्क्स, देन आई हैव गिवन महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा. सो लेट मी जस्ट शो यू व्हाट हैपेंड इन जुबिलियंट फूड वर्क्स. Jubilant Foodworks had a split, right? And look at where it stands. A massive breakout has happened, right? Split happened on this day. After that, the stock has bounced up. The next stock that I had given was M&M, right? Have a look at it. What a beautiful blast M&M had given from 878 or 880 to 960, right? The other stock that I had given you was Tata Consumer. I don't think so. Tata Consumer has given a breakout. But Shree Cement is another stock that I had given you at this place about 25,500. It has made a high of 26,100, right? Stock that probably has not given a breakout but ready for a breakout is Manappuram. Here is Manappuram. My buy was above 127. It has yet not given the breakout. The next stock that I had on my radar was Tata Consumer, right? Tata Consumer also has not given a breakout because I have given a buy at 825. It opened here on 2 days back, went up till about 836, almost like 2% return, and then it came down, right? So maybe, because the Nifty massively fell, that could be the reason. And another last stock that I had given here was IGL. I want to show you IGL. So अगर आप कभी भी मेरे चैनल पे जाते हो, I always write if there is a gap up, just ignore it, right? For example, if a stock is opening gap up or gap down, just ignore it. So the day I had given IGL, after that it opened gap up and open equal to high. So that means we had to completely ignore it, right? You have to learn these things because then only you will benefit from my research, right? So anyway, I have 2-3 stocks on my radar today from the auto sectors. The first one is Maruti, right? Maruti Suzuki. Now see here, Maruti Suzuki has made almost like a triple bottom, right? Have a look at it. First, second, third, right? And this is the barrier. If this barrier is crossed, I'm expecting a movement till this point, right? Which is 8660. Almost like 600-700 points, 600-700 points move I'm expecting, right? And that's my first stock that I'm expecting to give us good breakout. Then the next stock that I have on my radar is MRF. It's a very like a high valued stock, but the kind of pattern Maruti, MRF, all of them are making the similar pattern. So one bottom, second bottom, and third bottom, and now it stands at 70,124. So I will be expecting from here, if the movement comes, a target of 7,700, right? Whenever I'm giving you the target, they are not daily target, they are not weekly target, they are monthly target, right? You can hold them for a month and a half, and that is how you will be able to get the full targets, right? Patience is the key in stock market. If you don't have patience, please, if the stock goes down a little bit, don't start complaining. You gave a buy at this and the stop loss is about to hit. I always give you best quality stocks, right? There is no stock which ever has weak fundamentals. I will not be giving it to you, right? Have that much confidence. It's only the only barrier is basically when the Nifty corrects, the stock start correcting, right? जब मार्केट करेक्ट होता है तो सारे स्टॉक्स में इफेक्ट आता है और उसी समय हम लोग अपनी सारा वी काइंड ऑफ गिव अप, right? So that is what I don't want you people to feel. So whenever I give you a stock, it's not, you know, that today only you will get the return. It could be maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe a month, right? So don't think that if I've given a stock, next 15 minutes you'll get 5% return. Please don't have high hopes, you know, because this is expecting too much. Because I'm not running stock market. I'm just seeing a breakout. I'm just trying to read the price, right? Agar mera price reading correct hai or all the parameters fit in, that means Nifty is also giving a support. Then we definitely can expect a good breakout in the stocks, right? So please have patience. You will get money because I'm assuring you that my research is very thorough, because I know many people, thousands and thousands of people are trading because investing because of my suggestion. As I just showed you that Nifty Infra also had a breakout today. So एक stock मेरे radar पे है, FNO का stock नहीं है, but कई दोनों मेरे आगे आ रहा है बार बार और कई दिनों से ब्रेकआउट देने की कोशिश कर रहा है, और वो स्टॉक है सनटेक रियलिटी, राइट? हम सनटेक रियलिटी को कहाँ पे खरीदेंगे? आज के हाई के ऊपर 508 के ऊपर खरीदेंगे फॉर अ टारगेट ऑफ अबाउट 540. दैट विल बी माय फर्स्ट टारगेट. then the next target is going to be 590, right? On every dip, right, if it goes down to about 400, you can accumulate more, right? So these are three stocks that are going to be on my radar: Maruti, MRF and Suntech Reality. जहां तक एनर्जी सेक्टर की बात है, मुझे कोल इंडिया बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, एनटीपीसी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, पावर ग्रिड बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, ओएनजीसी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, गेल बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ये सारे स्टॉक में आपको एक मूवमेंट आता हुआ मिलेगा, because energy is just standing on a lifetime high, and if the lifetime high is broken, another 10% move can be expected. तो अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस अच्छे लगते हैं, प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर इट विद अदर्स, राइट? आई मीन, देयर इज नॉट मच आई एम आस्किंग यू, जस्ट गिव अ thumbs up and write some comment so that more people can be able to see the video and it reaches out to more people. With this, I'm signing off, your host Dr. Seema Jain, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.